Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to start our page number 25, Project, Creating a Model. Open up your books, page 25, Part C. Let us first see what we need to create a model. In today's lecture, or in today's Creating a Model section, we are basically trying to create a model of a solar system. There are certain points which are mentioned right over here. Let us first read out the points. In your group, we will make a solar system. For a group, you can choose your parents as your partner, your siblings as your partner. Decide what you will use to make the model, who will make each part, which part your group will compare and contrast, and what each student will say. Write down some words to help you remember your ideas. Use compare and contrast words such as but and however. Practice your presentation with your group. Show your model and give your presentation. Make eye contact with other students, gestures towards your model, and speak in loud, clear voice. I have written down some points for you, as it is mentioned in these points as well, that first of all we need to know what we need to create a model. In today's lecture, we are talking about how to create a model of a solar system. So what we will need to create a model of a solar system? You may need a chart paper, scissor, colored markers, old newspaper, or tennis balls. You can use old newspaper to make the balls, or if you have tennis balls, you can use them as well. Old wires. If you don't have wires, you can simply draw the lines using the colored marker. Glue to attach these things on the chart paper. Ruler to draw the line, and paint in order to paint the tennis ball or the old newspaper to represent them as the planets. I have a picture to just in case if you need a model of a solar system as an example. You can make your solar system model in such a way. You see there's a sun, and around the sun there are different planets represented by means of the tennis balls, which are colored by using the color paints. You can use this idea. Don't draw exactly the same model, but you can use this idea to make up your own model. Then prepare a chart as well, that how you're going to represent the model. Your homework is this: you're going to prepare a model of a solar system. That'll be a fun activity, right? That's all for today.